You're walking down the hallway, or maybe crossing the parking lot, and there it is, an abandoned USB flash drive sitting right out in the open. Natural curiosity is a universal instinct. It is almost impossible to see a lost drive and not wonder about the files or data stored inside. You pick it up, take it back to your desk, and slide it toward your laptop port to investigate. Right here, millimeters from connection, is the moment a simple mistake provides a direct path for unauthorized access to your organization's infrastructure. This moment represents the intersection where a human impulse can lead to a system-wide security incident. To understand the risk, we have to look at the mechanics of the attack. Many sophisticated actors still rely on physical hardware to launch their operations. Modern organizations protect data with firewalls and automated filters. Forcing through these digital perimeters from the outside is difficult. Instead, an actor places a drive where an employee will find it, relying on them to initiate the attack from inside. These drives carry hidden payloads, software designed to encrypt files for ransom, monitor keystrokes, or export sensitive data. The drive serves as a physical delivery system for code that exploits trust to bypass technical defenses. When the corrupted drive makes contact with the machine, the infection timeline begins instantly. A malicious script executes in the background. The software immediately compromises the operating system, searching for cached passwords. Using these credentials, the infection begins lateral movement, spreading from a single workstation to the servers and databases that run the entire organization. This can encrypt vital data, steal intellectual property, and shut down business operations. A single individual's decision to satisfy their curiosity can lead to a collapse of the entire network's integrity. We can avoid this outcome by returning to that moment of decision at the desk and choosing a different path. When you find an unknown device, follow the established protocol. Stop, think, report. Do not plug the drive in to see what is on it. Do not attempt to identify the owner yourself, and do not leave it where others might find it. Secure the device and hand it directly to an IT or security professional who can inspect it in a controlled, isolated environment. By reporting the device, an individual becomes an effective layer of the organization's defense, stopping the attack before it can even begin. Security is determined by this single choice. You can provide a doorway for an attacker, or you can shut it. Any device with an unknown origin carries a level of risk that no organization can afford to take. A cyber-aware culture is built on the daily practice of recognizing these risks and reporting anomalies to the proper teams. Protecting the network is a shared responsibility. Think before you plug. Unknown USBs are unknown risks. Build a cyber-aware culture. Learn, practice, report.